Hi and welcome, I'm Jimmy, and today we will take a look at the Mirka POLAROS RP 600 ramp-up function. One of POLAROS' intelligent features is the ramp-up function, which gently raises the RPM when you increase the pressure applied onto the surface. Ramp-up prevents the polishing compound from splashing, making the POLAROS less messy to use than conventional polishers. This function is turned off by default, but easily activated by pressing the plus and minus button together.